Birds hitting windows happens way more than people realize, and it can be fatal in seconds. To birds, glass can look invisible, so they fly straight into it. That's why PESTEZE created the Rainbow Leaf Medley Anti-Strike Static Cling Window Decals. These decals use UV reflective, high visibility leaf patterns to help birds recognize windows and avoid collisions. They apply with static cling so there's no adhesive, no mess, and no sticky residue. Just clean the glass, press them on, and reposition them anytime you want. They're eco-friendly, non-toxic, and safe for birds, pets, and people. To purchase this product, head to PESTEZE.com.